Welcome to DannyKam Butchery. We are located at stall number 56 at City Market, and today we're here with a new recipe for you. We shall be making some chicken tikka masala. It's a little bit spicy, it's very rich and very delicious, and we shall be serving it with some naan. So stay tuned to see how we're going to make this recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is debone our chicken thighs. For this recipe you can also use chicken breast, but we recommend that you use chicken thighs because there's a lot more flavor there. So we have our chicken thighs here, and we're going to take off the bones. After deboning our chicken thighs and removing the skin, we're going to just cut it into bite-sized pieces. So nothing too small or too big, about this size is fine. So we'll do that with the rest of the chicken thighs, and then we shall marinate. So with these pieces we've taken off, we can use this to make chicken stock. It's very simple. Just roast them in the oven and then add them to a pot with some vegetable scraps. So if you have like pieces of onion or peppers, just add them all with some water. Let it simmer for about 40 minutes and then you have chicken stock. So we are now going to marinate our chicken. So we are going to add some salt. And then here we have black pepper, garam masala, paprika, some turmeric and some chili powder. So we add that there, and then we shall squeeze some lemon juice, not too much. It is about half a lemon. And then we're going to add some, if you have plain yogurt, fine. You also can use mala, it's fine. So we just add that. And now we're going to mix this. We'll mix this, let this marinate for about an hour, and then we shall be ready to make the masala. Our chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours, so you can give it at least 30 minutes. So we're going to add some oil to a pan. You can do this in the air fryer. You can also roast the chicken in the oven if you'd like. Just add the chicken to the pan. And we're going to let this cook, then flip it and let the other side cook. Then we'll take it off the pan and start to build the sauce. Our chicken has cooked. We're going to take it off and then start to make our masala sauce. So we're going to start by adding ghee. You can use butter, you can use just basic oil if you'd like. And then we're going to add diced onions. We're going to add some ginger and garlic. So going with our spice mix, this has garam masala, turmeric, paprika, some chili powder, cumin, coriander. I'm going to mix that there, and we've also added some biryani masala. Mix that in nicely. We'll go in with some tomato paste, some green chilies as well. You can put in as many as you'd like depending on the spice level that you want. And then we'll add tomatoes. So we'll now cover this and we'll let this cook down for a few moments, then we shall go on with the rest of the recipe. As you can see, our tomatoes have cooked down nicely. We're now going to add the chicken back in. Then you can add some chicken stock if you have that, or just some water. We'll let that simmer, allow the chicken to cook all the way through, and then we'll finish with some cream. So we're going to add some cream to our curry. You can use cooking cream, heavy cream, whipping cream, anything that's nice and rich. So our chicken tikka is now ready. We're going to make some naan and serve them together. We'll finish this with some dhania. So here is our chicken tikka masala. As you can see, it's cooked up really nicely, very rich and creamy, and we have served it with some naan. So feel free to come visit us at City Market, stall number 56, and we are DannyKam Butchery. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to our YouTube channel, DannyKam Butchery. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you.